Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert. Sorry for the audio you're going to hear. I'm editing a video, or it's at least crunching on it right now. And my son's also in the room, so you might hear a little bit of that. I am about to build a rocket to try to accomplish a mission. Let's find which one it is. And so what we need to do, look around my mic, we need to get to Kerbal's defeat. And we need to be above 18,000 meters, and we need to take a crew report so we can look at where this is on the map. Going to the tracking station. Where did I go the long way around? All right. Right there. So what we've got to do is get back to here. Is this gonna, I guess that's the furthest I can zoom. Got to get back to here, over 18,000. I've got a rocket that did something pretty similar fairly successfully, so I'm going to go back to the Space Center. I'm going to head into the VAB. And we've got a rocket that has worked. And what I'm going to do is... okay, did it ever... Nope. Alright, so I got to build it again. No big deal. Alright. So, utilities, grab a parachute, plop, and I need a decoupler. Okay. Pop that. Fuel tanks. That's my only one. So, man, how many did I have before? I don't remember the weight either. Call that about good? I don't know. And what, I had some Aero. So I had 3 of these, and that seemed to work pretty well. Pop that on. And then I'm going to check my center of mass and Aero. The Aero is slightly behind the center of mass, not by far. This is not going to be highly stable, but hopefully it's going to be stable enough. Alright. So, let's see. We're gonna call this bit good. I want to add some science, because this time I'm flying over potentially some different biomes here. There we go. Okay, so a thermometer. Plop. Oh, I don't need 3 of these. And some goo. What's the mass of these two? 0.05. 0.005. Jeez. Okay. So this is way heavier. So I probably need 2 of these. But this one can just sit on the opposite side. I only need 1. All right. So I'm gonna go with 2 of these. Plop, and then 1 of these on the opposite side, like so. So it ought to be pretty symmetrical for center of gravity. I think, okay, I think this is looking good. So we are going to try this out, and yeah. Alright, so I'm basically ready to try this mission. Should I keep Jeb? I mean, I swear that they never... Does this have stability assist on its own? Let's find out. Pods. Right mouse button. Okay, command, data transfer, lifting, reaction wheel. Requires science equipment. Yeah, I don't really see that this has... Okay, it's got reaction wheels. But this doesn't seem to just have stability assist in and of itself. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it with Jeb. What do I gotta do to get rid of this? Okay. So I'm gonna try this out. No guarantees of success here. Again, sorry for the audio. Let's try launching this. And I believe I did accept the mission. So they're talking about him eating right now. Let's see. So I do have a mission. Go to map view. Click this activate navigation, leave the map view. That is like straight west. All right, so Z for full throttle. Was it above or below? I think it's above a certain altitude. Above 18. This might be tough. I don't think I have enough fuel. 17. I'm going to go for it anyway. So stability on and staging is correct. Going for it. Alright, I'm going to throttle down just a little. Well, I'm already supersonic. Okay, what way do I need to go? I need to go more this way or more this way? There we go. No, 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 no. Alright, what do I have to do to fix this? This is a bit of a disaster. I want to aim prograde if I can to map view. I've still got some fuel. Maybe I wait till I'm near apoapse because I don't seem to have a huge horizontal velocity component. I'm still fairly strong in the atmosphere, and I want to go basically retrograde, which is probably this way, I guess. Let's see, there's 90. Okay, I want to go at approximately 270. I want to go around here. Yeah, and there's that symbol. And I'm going to go right about now. Okay, out of fuel. Oh, I'm entering the area. Okay, zoom, zoom, zoom. Crew report. What? That's lame. Review report. Mission success anyway. Cool. All right. So now what do I want to do? I'm not going to leave the atmosphere, right? Nah. I'm going to be, this is going to be swiveling down here soon. Let's go ahead and take some goo. Lame. And then I can review it. Similarly lame. Grab this, log temperature, lame-o, review, lame. Grab the barometric pressure. That's not quite so lame. Hang on to that. Review the data. Hold on to that. And I think we're good. Can I EVA? Probably not. Alright, I might as well stage this away. This is going to do nothing for me. And nice and dark. Oh, nice sunset there. That's cool. Alright, I think I'm going to physics warp. What's the altitude here? Okay, let's... Okay, so those are some mountains. Oh, I could land on kind of the lit side of those mountains a little bit. That'd be interesting. Yeah, and you can see Kerbal orbiting or rotating below me. Let's see if I can see those. What's my speed? I want to aim retrograde. Okay, I'm subsonic. There's the mountains. I want to try to judge this because it's always so boring when I'm just waiting. But I bet you the elevation here... Okay, there's my G's. That means it's okay. Definitely physics warp. And yeah, I'm going to edit this bit out until I impact the ground. And we're back. We're back. I landed. Let's see. Stop time warp. Let's see if I can't... Because I'm over a different biome, I think. EVA report. Cool. Equip helmet, neck ring, review report. Alright, and now I'd like to walk around. Go over this way. Actually, wasn't there a way to store the report or something? Alright, so I'm gonna... F to grab, up a bit, B to board. Let's see. Review stored data, review report. Okay. Transfer crew. I thought there was a way. I thought the manliest of Scots had found some way a long time ago to put your data back in. Take data. Store experiments. I don't know what just happened. But what I would like to do is do a EVA report while I'm like on the ground. Can I plant flags? No. EVA report is going to overwrite. Oh, cool. Do. Review report. Do that. And yeah, I don't. What's he doing with his foot? I don't see anything else, so I am going to recover. Let me get back in so that it, just in case it leaves this. Cancel. Board. Experiments you've collected cannot be stored in the Mark 1 pod. Are you sure you want to? Okay, cancel. I guess I'll recover him and then recover the... Okay, recover vessel. We'll see what it grabs. So science 40? Science? Oh, okay. I earned 2.2. Yay. So I need to recover that vessel somehow. Cool. 11.6. Okay, that's not bad. Got some money back. 190. I'm almost at 200 thou. Okay. So let's see what I'm going to do with my research first. Let's see what my next mission might be. I saw a few of these that looked reasonable. Altitude 15 to 21. So let's see if I've got any of those weird ones where I've got to do a focused above 16. So that one's reasonable. Okay, 91 something FG. Wait a sec. Did I see? No. Okay. 91. Holy cow, that seems far away. This one's below 16,000. I wonder if I can do that with planes. I don't really like the planes in this game that much. You know, my Aero degree, they don't have very accurate Aero. The rockets are a lot better. They don't really use the, you know, atmospheric reentry and all that. It's you can't just calculate it out with Allen Eggers, but it's let's see. Flying, altitude, speed. Do you have to do the test right at that same moment? I would bet you do. Perform this test with a shoot speed between that and that. Completion 3 science. Okay, so test the Mark II radial mount parachute in flight over Kerbal at a low altitude and a reasonably high speed. So I'm going to stick with the rocket I have and just change up the parachutes and ditch the science. So I'm going to accept that one. This one, very different altitude from the current one. Wait a minute, what's this? You want to test the Flea solid rocket booster. That seems like incredibly easy. Maybe there's something I'm missing. I'll go with those two. Go into here, and I want to do that Flea one first. I don't want to... Alright, so I'm going to call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6... 6 tanks. With science. Okay. Save that guy. Alright, ditch this stuff, ditch the science. I'm gonna start a new rocket here. Okay. And, fuel tanks, engines, flee. And parachute. I highly doubt... You know, there's a chance that I can pull off that other experiment. I'm gonna go for it. So I need utility, and I need these radial Mark II and Mark 12. Well, I'm just dyslexic enough to not remember which. I think it was this. Pop on 2 of these. Call that good. I think that's all I needed to do. And then for this guy, we'll go for that. Yeah. So we're gonna try this out. Should I stage this away? I guess I don't care. I'd rather recover it with 2 parachutes. I think I can pull it off. Probably. Let's see, does it say anything about tolerance 12 meters per second? Tolerance max temp. The stats on these look similar. So I'm gonna assume that this parachute is about the same as the other. Alright, I'm gonna try to launch. And then I'm gonna look at my missions. Okay, test mark 2, that's good. Between 3 and 9 with a fairly high speed. And then test the flea booster at the launch site. Okay, so I'm just gonna launch and start aiming to the side to try to get my speed and altitude around the right timing. Oh boy. Whew. I'm glad I'm not doing the hardcore version or whatever. Okay, that's plenty of speed. Let's see, so there's my speed already. Alright. So that one's done. Between 3 and that, I'm too fast currently. But I bet I don't get up to 9,000. I'm turning a bit to increase the drag. Test those chutes. Oh, this is going to be like a super long wait for me to land. Alright, I'm going to physics warp down. There's probably not much that I can, crew report probably is not going to get me anything. Can I get any sort of science with these? Alright, that seems a little too slow. That I can handle. So yeah, those 2 missions are complete. That'll be good. Let's see, I'm at only 500 feet. So like for the future of what I see doing here, I mean, mostly I'm just playing the game again because I'm getting ready to build an online course for Kerbal. And I've been teaching kids with this, but we've been using an old version of Kerbal. So I'm testing this back out to see if we want to move up to this newer version. Because we're looking at KSP2 and kind of getting ready for that. Good, no science. I can just recover, right? See what I got out of this. You almost ready?
I'm almost ready.
All right.
It's already pretty dark though.
All right, so I'll talk to you about that in just a sec. All right, so what do we get? 0 sciencer, and I thought that I completed a mission. But anyway, so we're going to be continuing to do some more missions, getting some more science. So I've got 56. Keep working the way through the tech tree. Again, sorry for the audio. It's just the way it is. But yeah, we will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.